Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive Facebook notifications by email for birthdays on your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it even easier to stay connected with your friends and never miss a birthday celebration. Let's dive right in and walk you through the simple steps to set this up. First, open your favorite web browser and head to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see the familiar notifications icon. It looks like a bell. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, in the drop-down menu that appears, you'll notice 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click on those 3 dots to reveal more options. From the new menu, choose Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize all your Facebook notifications. Scroll down the list until you find the Birthdays section. Click on it to expand the options. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle switch next to Email. Simply click that switch to turn it on. It should change color to indicate it's active. But wait, there's one more important step. Make sure the option, Allow Notifications on Facebook, is also turned on. This is usually found at the top of the birthday notifications section. If it's not already enabled, go ahead and switch that on too. And there you have it. You've successfully set up email notifications for birthdays on Facebook. Now, you'll receive a friendly email reminder when your friends' birthdays are coming up, giving you plenty of time to plan that perfect birthday message or even a surprise. Remember, staying connected is what Facebook is all about, and with these email notifications, you'll never miss a chance to make someone's day a little brighter. Thanks for watching, and happy birthday wishing.